Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video, I will tell you how can you take your Instagram story or your photo to a next level. So whenever you will post your photo to your Instagram stories, definitely people are going to ask you how you have edited this picture, how you have edited this image. And let me tell you that after watching this video, once you will edit, I don't think it will take you more than 15 seconds to edit your photo. And as you can also see the sample of the photo in my video thumbnail, and also I have added on my screen, you can see the sample of few photos. So these all are just a sample of 3 to 4 photos. So there are much more frames and design available in this application, so you can get it as per your choice, as per your likes. So I will show you on my mobile screen how you can use this application. So this is my Instagram page. If you like, you can follow me over there. So for this editing, you have to download one application, that is Canva. So you can download this application from Play Store or from iStore. So after downloading this application, the application will be in this interface. So in this application you can create any kind of post. As you can see, Instagram story, Facebook post, Facebook cover, social media, whatever you want, you can design your post. So for now, in this video I am going to tell you about Instagram story. So on the top you need to search as Instagram story. So you need to click on this one. So here you will find much more templates here. So for example, for now I will select this templates here. So after selecting this template, I will click on this one, and so we already have a frame, so we have to add a photo on this. So we will click on the middle where the image is there, and you can click on gallery and you can select this photo here. So here you can see my photo is placed in the middle. So if you want to change the color of this one, then you can see whatever color you want, you can change as you like. So whatever color you want. So for now randomly I am showing, so you can take a time for editing and you can change the color of this frame, and even also you can change the color of this, you can increase the size, and whatever things you want to adjust, you can adjust it as you like. So for now I will go back. Okay, so there are much more frames you can see here. So you can use any one of these you like. So you can also go for another one, whichever you want. As you can see, there are so many templates are there. So yeah, one more thing, like if you want to edit a text here, so you can click on this text and you can write whatever you want to write it here. And also if you want to add a additional text to this photo, then click on this plus icon and here you will see a text option. So write whatever you want here, and if you want to change the font of this text, you can select a font from here, whatever you want. You can increase the size, change the color of this text, whatever you like, and you can place wherever you want. So this is how you can design your Instagram story. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.